Hello? Yes. I would like a cheese pizza with heart-shaped pepperoni and sausage. Thank you. Bye. Hi, Donnie. Hey, bro. You scared me. What's going on, my sweet turtle? Nothing. Nothing at the moment. Okay, bye. Bye. Hope the pizza gets here soon. Happy Valentine's Day, Splinter. Oh, that's so sweet, my son. You're welcome. Happy Valentine's Day. Rob, I want to give you this. Leo, I don't know what to say. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. On my way. Huh? Move out of my way, I got a pizza to deliver. Now we could do this the easy way, or we could do this the hard way. I'd say the easy way. Yo! Oh, hey, what's going on here? What's going on here? Oh, huh? The pizza! Oh, the pizza's here. Huh? Oh no! What's it, Donnie? The pizza is ruined. This is sweet. That's my favorite pizza. Yeah, that's heart-shaped pepperoni. Donnie, it's beautiful. But this question has marks all over it. I know. It's still beautiful. It's, Happy Valentine's Day, April. Happy Valentine's Day, Donnie. Let's eat. Good idea.